Hello everyone, it's me, Ryder Slasher here again once again, and today we are playing Escape 2 once again, episode 8, and this time we're gonna play Chaos Mode once again! So let's go do that. Alright. And then once I'm getting on level 10, I'm at level 100, I think I might be in Pro Mod. No, I wanna stay here. Ooh! Come on guys, you guys are overreacting. Uh, what? That's it? Eh? Okay, go, 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 go. Alright, goes. Go, 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 go. Ugh. Nope. Oh, yep. I'm out. Alright. Oh. Come on, guys. You four get up there. You know how to count. Hurry up. Oh. Uh. Oh, no, 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 no. Guys, calm down. Alright. Doing good. Oh, no. Dang it. You guys are so lazy. Super, super lazy. Super, super lazy. You guys are super lazy. Oh no! Stop boosting them up. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. You dumb. Whatever. Got 9 go down there, and I want you guys to count. You're lazy, old mamas. Go get it, mamas. Ugh. Well, I'm dead. Dang it. You guys are so lazy to go get it. You guys are so lazy. Oh, yeah, we want to be lazy. We want to survive. But that's not the way, you guys. You guys need to learn. We all need to go get it. Get that button on chaos mode. You understand? Okay? Stop clapping! Stop clapping! Stop clapping! I'm sick. I'm sick of this Sonic costume. Five Nights at Sonic since you got a bow tie. I'm sick. I'm so sick of you guys. Each every one of you guys. But anyways, what we're gonna do? No, no. We are doing a much easier level. Yeah, how about that? Okay. I'm gonna win this time on this one, and I don't want you guys to be so lazy. I don't want you guys so lazy, okay? Understand? Ooh, I'm not too sure about that one. Alright, how much? Oh, uh, uh, you guys are so lazy! Stop it! You guys need to stop being so lazy, okay? I'm sick of it, okay? Really sick of it. I don't understand. You guys are supposed to be masters in this game. Got it? And why is there a girl named Sonic? Julie Sonic. Okay, I'm a Jedi Master above. Got it? And there's too many people in here. I can't move. And stop spinning your head. You might get a headache. Whatever. I'll let you guys die anyway and get your accounts banned. And yeah. And then, happy landing. Now, happy landing. Alright. You know what? Fine. Fine. Fine, fine, fine. Fine with me. But this time I'm gonna be winning. I don't want I don't want you guys to be lazy. I want a nice, clean. Uh-huh. Oh my. This is so sad to me to watch. Stop. This is how you're supposed to do it. Stop being a glitchy one. Here and uh you guys saw nothing. Um I'm gonna do this one. Alright guys, it's time to go back to normal mod. Yes. Alright, we're teleporting. Oh, wow, that was such an adventure. Alright, we're here. Now, let's go. Let's go, you lazy. I'm gonna start calling you guys Obamas for my New Year's revolution next year. How about that? If you stop being so lazy and try to survive chaos mode, well, now I'm gonna wait. Okay. And I just spend my 10 points on this level. And I know they were gonna pick that level, so what a waste of money. And I just failed. That was so sweet. I'm still gonna survive this. Whatever it takes. Ah! Go on without me! I don't think so. Haha. What? See guys, I told you I will survive. Uh, uh. Alright. I'm gonna win. What? Alright. Okay. Ah, okay. God, no. Lava Tower. Yeah, I want to do Lava Tower. This time, we're gonna win. I'm tired of you guys acting like lazy booty. So you go down. Okay. Done. Okay. Okay. Oh, come on. Wait, what? Come on. Ugh. And I just died. Wait. Come on, guys. You didn't even try. Ah, whatever. Alright, let's go. Come on, mate. Alright, you go get it. I beg you. Hehe, running pro mod. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Wait, no, you come back. You come back here and finish this fight. I mean, alright, alright. We are done with that one. Just one more, and I'll be done for today. Everyone, what's taking you guys so long? Hey, what are you doing?